This interacting galaxy duo, called ARP-143, holds the distorted star-forming spiral galaxy NGC 2445 at the right, along with its less flashy companion NGC 2444 at the left. Astronomers think both galaxies pass through each other, igniting the unique triangular-shaped firestorm of starbirth. Because NGC 2445 is rich in gas, the fuel of star formation, it holds thousands of infant stars. Yet it hasn't escaped the gravitational clutches of its partner. The pair is waging a cosmic tug-of-war, and NGC 2444 appears to be winning. The galaxy has pulled gas from its companion, forming the oddball triangle of newly minted stars. By studying head-on galaxy collisions like this, we can better understand the origins and evolution of ringed star formation in galaxies.